नमस्कार मित्रांनो, स्वागत आहे तुमचं आपल्या या यूट्यूब चॅनलमध्ये. तुम्ही जर या चॅनलवर नवीन असाल तर सबस्क्राईब करायला विसरू नका. मित्रांनो, आज आपण पाहणार आहोत वर्ग 12वा, विषय इंग्रजी, टॉपिक 3.4 स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पज यातील ब्रेनस्टॉर्मिंग ॲक्टिव्हिटी A5. चला तर मग सुरुवात करूयात. ॲक्टिव्हिटी A5 आहे, रीड द पर्सनल डिटेल्स गिवन बिलो. खाली दिलेले पर्सनल डिटेल्स वाचा अँड प्रिपेअर सुटेबल स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पज. तर आणि या ठिकाणी योग्य अशा पद्धतीचं एक स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पज आपल्याला लिहायचं आहे. तर कोणते डिटेल्स दिलेले आहेत ते आपण बघूयात. त्यामधील पहिली ॲक्टिव्हिटी आहे, युनिव्हर्सिटी ऑफ बाथ UK is one of the leading universities for business studies. You belong to a business family, wish to start your own business, carry forward your family business in future. In your junior college, you have opted for commerce, scored well in your standard 10th board examination. You made profit in the stall you had put up in the business fair organized by your school or college. Your hobbies are playing cricket, hockey. You get along well with people. एवढी माहिती आपल्याकडे आहे. आता यावरून आपल्याला स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पज या ठिकाणी लिहायचं आहे. तर त्याचं उत्तर आपण लिहू. सिन्स माय चाइल्डहुड आय हॅव ऑलवेज हॅड अ नॅक for the inner working of the business world. Belonging to a family that conducts business dealings on a daily basis, I would often tag along with my father and uncles whenever I could. Even as a kid, I was sure about my life's goal, entry into the business world. My curiosity was fueled further by my grandfather, who would subscribe to magazines in the business world. Reading them became a childhood obsession, and it helped me understand the verticals and horizontals of a market. Curiosity got the better of me, and I researched and I concluded that I want to further my education in business studies. This further encouraged me to study well and score good marks in standard 10th, so I can choose a wonderful college for the subject of commerce. I often love to indulge in a game of cricket and hockey. In these games, I tend to play the role of a strategist and juggle between being a part of the game and planning the next step for my team and myself. This exposure has built in me the qualities of resilience and far-sighted approach. Being a strategist and team player adds value in my skill set to inch closer towards my goal. During my school days, I have often participated in the annual business fairs. My stall was set up with the help of my family as well as like-minded friends, and I made substantial profits through such endeavors. Even in college, I participated in organizing annual festivals as well as business fairs, where I handled many administrative duties single-handedly. I am aware that the University of Bath in the UK is one of the leading universities in business studies. This, according to me, is the right platform to connect with spirited individuals and have my skills for the future. It will be an opportunity to prove my mettle and carry forward my family's legacy. Armed with sharp acumen and sound बिझनेस अंडरस्टँडिंग. तर हे होतं स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पज आपल्या पहिल्या ॲक्टिव्हिटीचं. आता दुसरी अशाच पद्धतीची ॲक्टिव्हिटी आपल्याला दिलेली आहे, म्हणजे आपल्याकडे काही पर्सनल डिटेल्स देण्यात आलेले आहेत आणि त्यावर आधारित आपल्याला एक सुटेबल अशा पद्धतीचं स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पज लिहायचं आहे. तर मग डिटेल्स कोणते देण्यात आलेले आहेत ते आपण पाहूयात. पहिले तर डिटेल्स आहेत, यू आर ॲन अविड ॲनिमल लवर. You have a pet dog and some lovebirds at home. You are extremely fond of them. You have been a member of Bird Watchers Club. You have loved going on safari. You have taken care of orphan animals or animals who are hurt. In school, you loved biology. You wish to make a career in this field. The University of Cambridge offers an excellent course or program which will boost your career. Make a statement of purpose which will help you to get admission to the university. आता याचं स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पज आपण या ठिकाणी लिहूयात. My first encounter with the animal kingdom happened when I was 5 years old. I was taking a walk in the park with my grandmother when she spotted a wounded sparrow lying unconscious on the grass. Together we brought it home and I began to observe my grandmother tend to bird every day until it got better. It was finally the moment to release the healed bird into the sky, and I was extremely elated to see it flutter and fly away. That is when I decided to turn my passion into a lifelong journey. It will soon be a decade since that day, but my love for animals and birds has only multiplied. Over the course of time, I have contemplated and concluded that I want to study further on the topic of animal biology. To get further hands on understanding of the subject, I have set up a small home sanctuary where I have rescued many animals including my pet dog, cats, sparrows, as well as few lovebirds. My school days were laden with a heavy dose of Discovery Channel and Nat Geo documentaries. It prompted me to take the initiative of starting a Bird Watchers Club. Through the club, we embarked on many expeditions in forests and reserved zones on the outskirts of my town. After my standard 10th examinations, our family vacation led us on to a safari trip that I enjoyed immensely. I remember returning home with a newfound zest to care for animals. Throughout my academic life, I have conducted various drives that collected money for better care and treatment of animals. With the help of my friends and like-minded individuals, I have been able to create awareness and encourage support for my initiatives. University of Cambridge is held in high regard when it comes to the course on animal biology and behavior. The opportunity to be a part of this course would give wings to my lifelong passion towards the animal kingdom. I also believe that it is the right course to flourish intellectually as well as sensitively and make a positive impact on society. तर या ठिकाणी आपण दोन डिटेल्सवर दोन स्टेटमेंट ऑफ पर्पज या ठिकाणी लिहिले. याचबरोबर ॲक्टिव्हिटी A5 या ठिकाणी पूर्ण झाली. अशाच प्रकारचे नवनवीन व्हिडिओ पाहण्यासाठी या चॅनलला सबस्क्राईब करा. आमच्या चॅनलचे सर्वच व्हिडिओज ताबडतोब तुमच्यापर्यंत पोहोचण्यासाठी बेल आयकॉन बटनला क्लिक करा. हा व्हिडिओ तुम्हाला आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा. तुमच्या मित्रमैत्रिणींमध्ये गरजू विद्यार्थ्यांमध्ये जास्तीत जास्त प्रमाणात शेअर करा. हा व्हिडिओ अत्यंत काळजीपूर्वक आणि सर्वात महत्त्वाची गोष्ट टिल द एंड शेवटपर्यंत पाहिल्याबद्दल तुम्हा सर्वांचे मनापासून आभार. थँक्यू. थँक्स अ लॉट.